Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Today I am in Maxi in Springs Plaza and I'm here to check out what's new for spring. So far at the entrance of the store I'm seeing these little florals and decor pieces. So if you're looking for some nice little decorative palm trees, some florals for your living room and trees, you can get it here for the spring. And if you're looking for some florals like yellow and your eucalyptus florals as well, you can get it at Maxi. They have some nice decorative accessories here as well, and some nice bar tables, bar cards. You can get them here. This two-tier tray as well, so far you can get it. It can store like your fruits and so on. So if you're looking for shelf and other storage, Maxi have that. Candles and other candle stands and candle holders, they have that pot as well. They have them in gold and some rose pink and rose gold colors. They have some nice little decorative trays here and some candle holder cups as well. So if you're looking for these type of stuff, come on over to Maxi. At this section they have these tables as well that you can use. So you can also get these small decorative florals as well. So once you're looking for some little accessories just to spruce up your space, you can get them here. They have these green plants as well. This one here is for $6,420. So if you're looking for some little accessories to decorate your space, you can get these here at Maxi. If you're looking for lamps and other vases and so stools, they have it here. If you're looking for plates and dish drainers, they have a lot of stuff here as well. And they have these spring florals as well, purple and yellow. These are some spring colors. They have these small plants as well that you can use to decorate your shelf, your entrance table, and different areas around the home. This one here is for $1,500 and these have some succulents in them as well. So if you're looking for these type of stuff, you can get it. Mirrors, they have all different type of mirrors here, and you know mirrors is a great thing in your home if you have a small home, and they're great to reflect light and they make the space look bigger because what they do, they bounce is light as well. So you can get large mirrors, small mirrors, medium sized mirrors. So you can always come and check out Maxi if they are within your budget as well, because I know Maxi can be a bit pricey, so you can always check them out if it's your type. They have these carts as well and trays. They have bins. They have these baskets that you can use, decorative basket that you can use for anything. They can use on a table, entrance table, they can be used in a kitchen. So these are some great. They have these jars as well that you can use for different purposes, and they have this Joseph organizer. So Maxi has a lot of stuff that are very unique that you don't see at a lot of places. So if you're in the area, you can always come on and check out their stuff that they have here. They have these baskets as well that you can use to organize so many stuff. They're great in your bathroom, and they have these dispensers that you can use for your soap and so on. So if you're looking for some nice dispensers, you can always check them out. Towels. If you're lacking towels, you can always check out their section here where they have different color towels, and these towels are great in your bathroom to decorate and just in your guest room or your guest bathroom. So come and check out their towel section as well if you're in the area. Maxi has so much organizing containers. These canister sets start at $800, and they have this salt and oil dispenser as well. So if you need some canisters, containers for your sugar, your flour, rice or so on, you can always come on and get these canisters here. Cushion covers, tablecloth, table runner. They have so many stuff here that you can always get. They have these two-piece basket set as well that you can always check out. These are great to store your laundry. They are great to store like your throw pillows and so on. So come on and check out Maxi.